The awareness of the law of assumption is the key to truly unlocking your unlimited potential. In this video, I will discuss how your subconscious mind is the gateway to manifesting your desires in your physical reality. I will then read an excerpt from Neville Goddard's book, The Feeling is the Secret, which gives by far the best explanation of how your feelings are the key to tapping into this power within your subconscious mind. Be sure to watch to the end of this video so you can begin implementing Neville Goddard's teachings into your life. Be sure to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Neville Goddard captured the essence of what it means to truly create anything that you desire. Unlike many others that teach the law of attraction, Neville taught the law of assumption. He never emphasized things like vibration or the idea that like attracts like. He took manifestation further by harnessing the power of an assumption through feeling. Feeling is the secret to embodying that which you wish to create. And it is the embodied feeling that you carry which will fully manifest in your physical reality. Your embodied states of assumption will harden into fact. As long as you can feel your assumptions as true, they will manifest in your external reality. I will now read an excerpt from his book, The Feeling is the Secret, that explains in detail the importance of your feelings and how they impress your subconscious mind, which is the gateway to manifestation. The mechanism of creation is hidden in the very depth of the subconscious, the female aspect, or the womb of creation. The subconscious transcends reason and is independent of induction. It contemplates a feeling as a fact existing within itself, and on this assumption proceeds to give expression to it. The creative process begins with an idea, and its cycle runs its course as a feeling and ends in a volition to act. Ideas are impressed upon the subconscious through the medium of feeling. No idea can be impressed on the subconscious until it is felt. But once felt, be it good, bad, or indifferent, it must be expressed. Feeling is the one and only medium through which ideas are conveyed to the subconscious. Therefore, the man who does not control his feelings may easily impress the subconscious with undesirable states. By control of feeling is not meant restraint or suppression of your feeling, but rather the disciplining of self to imagine and entertain only such feeling as contributes to your happiness. Control of your feeling is all important to a full and happy life. Never entertain an undesirable feeling, nor think sympathetically about a wrong in any shape or form. Do not dwell on the imperfection of yourself or others. To do so is to impress the subconscious with these limitations. What you do not want done unto you, do not feel that it is done unto you or another. This is the whole law of a full and happy life. Everything else is commentary. Every feeling makes a subconscious impression, and unless it is counteracted by a more powerful feeling of an opposite nature, it must be expressed. The dominant of two feelings is the one expressed. I am healthy is a stronger feeling than I will be healthy. To feel I will be is to confess I am not. I am is stronger than I am not. What you feel you are always dominates what you feel you would like to be. Therefore, to be realized, the wish must be felt as a state that is rather than a state that is not. Sensation precedes manifestation and is the foundation upon which all manifestation rests. Be careful of your moods and feelings, for there is an unbroken connection between your feelings and your visible world. Your body is an emotional filter and bears the unmistakable marks of your prevalent emotions. Emotional disturbances, especially suppressed emotions, are the cause of all disease. To feel intensely about a wrong without voicing or expressing that feeling is the beginning of disease, dis-ease, in both body and environment. Do not entertain the feeling of regret or failure, for frustration or detachment from your objective results in disease. Think feelingly only of the state you desire to realize. Feeling the reality of the state sought and living and acting on that conviction is the way of all seeming miracles. All changes of expression are brought about through a change of feeling. A change of feeling is a change of destiny. All creation occurs in the domain of the subconscious. What you must acquire, then, is a reflective control of the operation of the subconscious. That is, control of your ideas and feelings. Now, I hope you found this video to be helpful in your manifesting journey. Please be sure to hit the like button and leave a comment down below with your biggest takeaway. Also, please be sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon if you want to be notified every time a new video is uploaded, so you can start accelerating your manifesting and have the life you truly desire.